Masera, nombroka one hot dog near one burger. One hot dog, one burger. Oh. Thank you so much. Oh, yo, mana. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you to move on one day. Sarah. Sarah. Sarah.
I win it, Papa. I win it. It wasn't easy.
What?
I didn't win the next money.
Oh, yo. Mercy.
The boy is coming here with the car.
Mercy, man. The bomb will say, you know, don't win about to have a co just because we're not out. Job about machine. Ah, the old machine. I mean, look, Pedro, and Dobby, the machine, school mind, the machine, open and do. Doesn't do the opus and the whoopee. Wasn't wrong with Abaco. Don't dara, Mosera, no peasant. But I bought Doya, don't with Abaco.
I wanted us to go.
All right, Medasa, man. I want to talk to you about something, man. I want to talk to you about something. Agent Yana. What's good? And the truth of what man. Well, I made a move. Get my light. Let me go with this light here. Yo, guys. I don't know when last did I go in my life, but yeah. I open up, I can see me clearly. Okay, let me come here. Okay. The truth in the things good. Spider. I had nothing good. Okay. So guys, there's a lot that has been going on in my sis, and then I've been quiet. Let me come there. Let me come about. Guys, in the picking paper, I want to grab something to eat, so that's why. So guys, there's a lot that has been going on in my sis in the Chiramanda Kanyarara. There are a lot of people who are trying attention with my name. The Chiramanda Kanyarara. Because why in Chiramanda Kanyarara? It's because I want to keep my brand clean, right? Okay, so Panapanda Uya, answer the question. Andawaya. Okay, I'll choose the American Deb. Okay. Amanaga. So this, can you hear me clearly? So there's this channel and a promoter, you know, the Khadija Khan, right? So what happened is this. Muskana knows Khadija Khan and butter. Andiga. And the butter, so can the praise. So can the praise. Can you please do me the channel promotion? Andiga. And then I was working with the Nestle, this means my channel promotions again. So the part of the deal was like, praise, can I ask 1K? Unufarakuya, oh, a free giveaway on my channel. And I was like, it's fine, why not? So she reached the 1K. After 1K subscribers again, then I have Bandi Batter. And praise, in Ashka 1K. But I danger. Let's do it. I see. So, Achibadi on praise. Since I promise on my wig, is one in Amari. Since I promise on my wig, let me. Tasama weeks on I say after Mari Coco and they just say TP1, I said. So that's why I'm pressing my weeks when I move to the Asha. My weeks are no go none from $30-40. But only option you can do another option. I have also known that when I'm cards, I don't try my week in net $22. But that is fine. It's a channel saga. There's no pressure. Just look for that lady, is it? And then try to execute one name and I say I don't my week with a button I just say, Gasha, you look stressed. Can you not marry? It's better we go to say kutenga ma weeks achona since that on top of $10 ka tongo pa vanhu ma $10 so it is kwauri I varisi is fine. Tataura paper and I'm here for the exclusive break relationship. Okay, tataura paper azoka kwandiri so okay praise so ndakuitaka I'm gonna send the man to you upe vanhu chi ma $10 boss akamona ba 30 kudhara achangutanga chana I think ngero 100 subs kudhara boss chana takati push us I think around almost about 500-600 subs kanasikanganisa nditaka push up from 0 chani ubaitange create kwanika ubaitange kuti 1 andika okay apeza bye bye praise ndakuta say ndakutumira mari mara it's okay asinyaya that day anakutumira vambo nyara dzike 2-3 days zvikanzi hadazoita emergency wakati hawangu haisi danger isiyo channel unotora time yako no one is rushing you handika apedza paipa achibva andibata zvakare zvikanzi praise aenda dzoka I want you to send people the money so I'm gonna send you the money give me the details I'm gonna do the video chikupa evidence yemachats inonzi emachats ari pachimaisa pascreen so that you guys can believe it, you know. Andina munhu I've worked with a lot of people andina munhu kana pane munhu anoti akavharwa napraise ngauye panapa ati praise wakandivhara kana pane munhu anozonzi akabhadhira mari yake ndikasamirira basa ratakawirirana ngauye panapa ati praise wakandivhara handika apedza paipa musikana uyu achibva andibata aibva ati praise gendese ngenditumire mari aibva atumira mari vanachiakuona chi kutiwo zviite bho zvinhu kwezvi since I've been promoting your channel from day one chiudza vanhu kuti ukasvika pa 1k ine I don't want to mess with my brand too ukatumira mari yako I will just do the giveaway panapa pachannel topa vanhu chi mari dza vanhu vachiona kuti mari dzapuwa vanhu panapa pachannel kwete zvekuti unoti tatumira vanhu they won't believe kuti waita they think kuti we're using them for numbers kuti kana wasvika 1k woita sei wopa vanhu giveaway aibva ati fine kati kana uchikasvika giveaway 100 kana uchikasvika 100 inonzi 1k subs giveaway sekuronga kwatakangoita as part of the agreement changoitira panapa so that I also keep my brand clean. There are a lot of people that are coming praise tipushe channel toita giveaway praise tipushe channel so ini ndakati ndiri kupusha pachannel chipromisa vanhu chata giveaway and then vanoni giveaway aya yangoitwa c achibva taya wapoa isinyaya uyo achibva kanda chi $40 akati $10 ndiye kuita se ndiye kukwira chinopa vanhu mapondo kuti ndikwidza mukombe I didn't mind ndakatoti you can send yawana yacho nayo ndokuenda hangu it's okay anditofamba nemakombi kazhinji kacho ndoita indrive but ndakatoti sechannel yandakashanda nayo aispressure isinyaya okay bye bye tapedza bye bye akanda mari aya that was the day musiwoyo musiwo achibva ndibata zvakanzi praise ndasenda mari can I do the video because ndakamudzoti you can do the video after doing the video you can tell people one ndaisa madigits put my number munonzi muchimu channel kana uchingoisa namba dzangu inini is gonna be easy kuti kana vanhu vachingowanditanga because ndakamudzoti make a video andika after making a video I think it's your together guys I'm so mad yes okay I ordered the food there let me do inshufama chendo vanamuzosha isa namba dzangu dzebusiness adza kuti guys ndichanyora madigits muvideo rangu kana munhu achikaona madigits they gonna send madigits avaona muvideo so that vanhu vaqualifya ndichavaita randomly picking kana ndavapika vanhu vachona ndo vanhu vanoita giveaway zvisanetse okay it's fine uyo apa anoita video rake aibva anoita zvemusoro wake okay ndicheke panapa toni rameta sendaramu oh wait just a minute my dear alright achibva sei achibva baya vanoita video aita video achibvaisa namba dzake that was not part of the agreement she's making things complicated now andika it's not even part of the agreement yataita tapanana kuti how are you going to do the giveaway ndiri kuziva I push the channel from zero and ndiri kuziva how we gonna do the giveaway is fine aisa namba dzake akudzoka praise ndadzoka navanhu vangu 4 vanhu vangu navo 4 zvinovasendera mari zveso mumwe anzi 2 ari kupoland mumwe ari kwamutare mumwe ari South Africa and I was like wangu it's not like wasenda mari yakawanda and stuff the money I was sending is not even enough to send to someone ari kupoland I don't know if mari kumasinoti ungasendera munhu ari kupoland $10 macharges acho ndosvika iri mari and also who is going to believe you to you send the money why are you doing this atinombobvira tawirana zvauri kuita uri kuzvifambisa sei ndakudza vanhu kuti I can do the videos nevanhu vandikunopa giveaway chinoenda ningi awina mari yake yabva kunaka dija right now tusangana naye arapa uyo akasubscribe channel tamba mari yake ninga wina vanhu vari 6 kwapera handika tapedza paipai aita sei paipai ndichibva ndamuzosha zvawaita video guys you did it in a wrong way you were supposed to wait for me ndiite video kuchannel kwangu takatanga channel yake ina views ekutanga de kuti anziye bana ameno pressure ishana nanje official in I don't work with pressure in I work with agreement takawira agreement yakati shamwari how we gonna push your channel I think kubva vanhu vese nakatanga kuirana nawo takati reduce 30 days due ropere 30 days zvatawirana ndo zvatinoita so inini wakauya kubasa kwangu wada kundudzira zvekuita uri wakada kundicontrola ndokusiya wakadaro wise because anditiswa zvaunodewo unoita zvandode ni because it's my business it's my work andika auya achibva sei achibva ati praise dawa nevanhu vangu kati asha ndo zvatakawirana rezvi it's fine I'm gonna send you your money but next time don't include me if you want to push kachannel kako because you messing around my brand you can't mess around my brand this is my brand zvinhu zvandichange ngishanda nazvo for the future zvinhu zvandichange nchiita for the future usakuramba uchindisendera funa message ka usashanda again brand rangu aibva tonzi it's okay okay you just do the giveaway andika ina anchete giveaway just tell the people there was a misunderstanding ndatozozviona ndo zvakataura everything that I'm telling you in the next vlog I'm gonna put it pamachats andika uyo apedza that was around kuma 1 look all this drama rakutondifrustrata uri rakutondibhowa kuti why isn't munhu ari kuacta so zungu rachona ndereiko wanyakumhanyeko it's okay tapedza paipa uyo apedza kumaraundi dzaita zvomaraundi 1 ka kumaraundi zvapera thank you tapedza pepe takuma round 3 akuma round 3 4 akundizira message again. Oh, thank you. Akundizira message again zvakanzi praise. Okay, wait, mira ndibve panapa ndikutsanangurira. And where's the food? Here's the food. Oh, thank you. Better bongo mom. Okay, here's the food. It's like a hot dog in a burger. Here's the food. Okay, let me go with this light. Leave the pineapple. Right. Ajibaita say bye. Ajibano. Boys, let me tell you something. There are a lot of people that are talking shit. The likes of Paida. They are talking shit. Khadija watching that. They're talking shit. But almost 3/4 of their subscribers they came from me. Kona get a massive unfollowing. Yes, and school drop a video. Kama unfollow to my channel toto. Boys, it's like you can't book me. You guys, let me tell you something. As long as you can grow from my hands, you will never fight me with a winner. I will still win, boss. Channel yako is like my channel. Ndikada kungo sapaida zvake kana ndikada kungo muzvambura ma copyrights all the videos ne face ranga tomurwa ne 3 ma copyright strikes and channel inobva yavharwa. Dongo claim apa ne face yangu yeso harassment and bullying ndomuzvambura ma copyrights asi tomontora kana 24 minutes. Okay, apaida ndeimwe nyaya is okay. Tripana kadija ndika uyo apedza kadija and but the same day apedza to praise already I'm frustrated ndakutoboy kana munhu. Why are you doing? It's bra, it's just $60, bra. It's not that deep. See, it's nothing. It's less than Marando Gazaraba video one. It's not even the half of the money that I make. It's not even the half of the guys. If I tell you right now, the people that I'm giving my course, they are more than 10. Now imagine how much is it? The people that I'm editing my video, they are more than 4. The people that I'm promoting right now, I'm promoting the Costas, I'm promoting Gelima, I was promoting the Guidis, I was promoting these are about 5-6 channels I'm to promote right now. So $60 to me is nothing, guys. If I tell you how much I don't spend, I don't get my videos. How much I eat even every day, it's nothing. Go to the price and the Vara 60. What is $60? What is? It's not. Alright, fine, Papa. Tapeza Papa. Uyo Khadija abantanga. Zvakanzonzo praise. The same direct agreement, praise. Send the money to my sister. I don't can't marry. Bruh, what do you mean? I'm working on the video. I'm doing the video right now. I'm in the city doing the video. And wow, why are you even over controlling me? What's the confusion? What's the fuss? What's the hurry? I was busy with something. I think as you saw for the past 3-4 days, I was not posting even when I live. I was I was making content. Okay, fine. Uyo, she's busy spamming my messages. I sent a message tanga. Praise. Wow, praise. Yeah, we say apeza. Now akutanga kundipopotera manje. She just sent one message. After that, akutanga kundipopotera. Yeah, president na mari yangu wasonzenda newe. Yeah, akutanga kuti unotanga even musikana wangu achinomusendera ma messages. Yeah, president that. Yeah, president that. I was like, okay, it's fine. Now if you approach me ku business rangu ida undizira dzunguka, I will humble you. I don't wanna lie. First of all, I will a breach of contract. If you are working with me, if you are going to work with me, or if you are in future, you don't do breach of contract. You don't do breach of agreement. Business. As long as there's evidence in charts, yes, you go and report order, and then she started sending to my threats. Hey, brah. I'm not even afraid of threats, brah. I'm literally afraid of no one. Like, hey, I'm a brah. What the fuck is that? Like $60 is nothing. I don't basa now, Mario. Oh, it's a pesa bye. Uyo. Now she started calling each and every day. After every minute, go. Okay, now I'm bored, man. Now I have why are you doing this, bruh? Tawira now, we had an agreement, right? Tata agreement. Just wait for me, bruh. Bruh, I can't. If I tell you, Kono Samari in town, Andika, Kono Samari. Dokuira kombi nini don't samari tapeza wakundipinza busy yokuira ndosenda tumari kwako what is $60 to me ndopeza manje ndio senda tumari kwako ndiri mwana rono nishansira kamari kasina basa ka useless money kaka tapeza ndika it's fine uyo calling she called more than 50 calls bra in less than 48 hours the period she called and I was like it's fine I'm not going to answer her let me leave you like that on top of that uyo akupasisa yake namba zake ndatumwa na Khadija kani ndatumwa things that Khadija ndakamboshana naye kudhara kana ane pazuwa rakamboti akantumira mari ndikaseta basa randipa ngaataure muvideo rake kana ane zuwa rakamboti akambotipa mari ndikamvhara even vanhu vandoshanda navo kana pane munhu akamboti akambovapa mari ndikavhara ngaataure zingiri rake andika okay fine hanzi praise pedza nyaya izwa muzi hanzi praise wazoya paiphone hauna kuresponda hanzi praise waiphone because it was becoming frustrating bra you can't be calling me each and every day because of what is $60 what is $60 What is $60, bro? You can't even call me every day. Who want the phone area about this $60? Okay, it's fine. I don't want to after shit. It's fine. Okay, that pays the bye. Now she's sending me threats. And now I a breach of contract. Manji, let me tell you something, Khadija. You said you want to send. Okay, you said you want to send Vanuka. Let me tell you, tomorrow, first thing, I'm going in the streets. I'm going to the poor. I'm going to the homeless. I want to give that man to the poor. That one is on detail. At the end of the day, I want to show you can do nothing to me. You booked the message to me, fine. You are talking rubbish, you're talking nonsense. Okay, mangwana guys, I want to do life or I want to do a vlog. Ndakwenda masrisika. Kamarika kandonoka tengera vanhu romasrisika chingwa. Maraunzi meso munoka mama de kumsika ndoswa inotenga misika yese njopa mari yo mahara. Ndirakuona manje ushandita sei. Andika. Because you uda kunditonga meno meno. Unondita mwana wako ini. You can't tell me bullshit or kundimanyisa. West on top of that, yesterday you went live. Andika. Waenda live, she talked shit about my brand, but even the Costa's family, they were about to send their man for giveaway. That was what Costa family, you even went, you have the guts to go to my DM and Oshana now to praise and Faramariam. Bruh, those people, they paid more than $60 that you're talking about. You're talking shit. You're talking rubbish, Andika. And the praise and Faramariam. The people, imagine the way you tarnish my brand. What tarnish a brand ranks, I gotta say. Now, what brings you posted a lot of video yesterday, get a life in the Kanyarara. Today you posted the video again, which the praise. I say, you know you're lying. Bruh, it's okay. If I'm lying, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. If I'm lying tomorrow, I'm gonna make a video. And on top of that video, I wanna give your man to the homeless. It's fine. Now, she said that Mamkomano sister will see it. You're going to say, don't garapana up, pass me up. Dubando garaba, wife wins on Bagando Gara, Dubando Garabanap. Panapa. Dubando Gara. Andika. Now you tarnished my brand. You posted. Now this is deformation of character. This is the rest that combine. Press Makara is not just a brand. Press Makara is a channel that's gonna. Do channel change the future yangu ni nugunzwa. Do channel change it in. Do channel change mari kurarama. I get man to pay bills from that channel and then you are busy blabbering shit about my channel. That's deformation of character, bruh. What the fuck? In that video, there is Zambura and copyright. Rubi's food is gonna be taken down. Ragu Zambura mama copyright. I better 3 Masai Baka Faro or Mama Kachanega. Johnny. Why is it? So if I can build you, I can take you down. I show you to minutes. Okay. My that's the man. Mangwana. Get back at 10 for yeah, Panewana, we don't feel that. Stamangwan. Ugunzo. If I can build you, if I can beat you, I can't even take a minute to take you down. Rangwari. What is it? Rangwari. And press because you. My that's your man. Abana, same amigos. Polato. What is it? Sha. You can never book a match with me, even when it comes to YouTube. Dokumami Ram Soro. Even Paidasha was thinking nothing about me, and I could reply. Those people are about me. They are people that I built with my own hands. There are people that I push with my own hands. They got a massive and subscribing. One of Sarah and 20 subscribers. They don't even know. But I'm Skuda Romantica. Jango Zambura and copyright. Because you mentioned my name in that video. Praise Magara. Dragu Zakata, and then China Varo. So that's Faran. I'll praise Mario Tinkish Kavin. Draguno Epakma streets, I don't know about the homeless. Mario. I want to give you to the homeless. Guys, I don't know if you can see me in the streets. It's dark now. And she. Please, I know good you but there one. I smart, please shoot. It's not the guy, Sha. Chikundi is talking shit about my brand, Sha. I work with a lot of people. I work with a lot of companies, a lot of organizations that are approaching me. A lot of people are approaching me without Shannon, and then they are busy making blabbering. My Shannon, I said to me that I view one and I can push up from zero. Do Shannon that would do chance to attack? Bruh, what the fuck, bruh? I started this thing. I know YouTube. I eat YouTube. I breathe YouTube. Ndakukumamisa na cooperatives. Ndakumamisa na cooperatives. Kashamba kafaro. 3 cooperatives strikes to mama. Tono ti uchauza na from bruh, even your TikTok, everything I pushed you from zero, bruh. You don't even appreciate. Nay. Anzu kona kuna basa tauraje. Nay. Yeah, you don't even appreciate it. Here na paida they were talking shit, Andika. It's okay. Vanhu ndakuti muchiona ndakumbokuitira hunhu kwataiti so inini I learned the hard way taita akandimamisa necopyright. From there, that's how I learned how to behave on YouTube. I never talked about him today and mushke, but now I can know how to remove them. Ndakukurova nemacopyrights, take down my videos, right? Ndakutora down my videos 3 sheteka yavarwa chane yoyo tichiona